Alright, so we're back today. We got chest today. It's a snowy day, but we're here at the gym. We're going to start off with a cable pec deck to warm up, and then just follow along. Come through. For my chest day, I like to start off with these to warm up. I got an injury here, so I just got to be careful. That's why I like to warm up over here first. Comment below if you think I need a haircut. That was just a warm-up workout, just to get some blood off my chest. Next, I think I start with one plate. Oh. I hate Maryland. I'm trying to get out of here. The weather is just atrocious all the time, especially in the winters. If you need a spot on anything, you shouldn't be lifting it. Just saying. I just realized I'm hot now. Lately, I've been doing a lot more like an intense workout, less volume, more intensity, keeping the workout short. I feel like it's been working. My workouts used to be hella long, which was good at the time. But now lately, I've been just going to the gym for like 2 hours, just going in, having a high intensity workout, and then just leaving. I don't spend too much time in the gym anymore like I used to. You guys might want to try that if you want to change something up. Reps, easy. All right, moving on. Y'all saw me, I was struggling there at the last set. That's how it's supposed to be. Put these away. Little tip, if you have weights on one of these bars, the max amount of weight you can put without it tipping over is 2 plates. So it could be empty here, and the most weight you can put on is 2 plates. So that's 90. Alright, it's coming off. It's coming off.
Soft like winter.